Daily Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu meanings. December 20th, 2022. For more upcoming videos, subscribe now our channel. Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu meaning. One fray, verb.
झगड़ा, लड़ाई, रगड़ना.
Of a fabric, rope, or cord, unravel or become worn at the edge, typically through constant rubbing. Example, cheap fabric soon frays. Synonyms, unravel, wear thin, wear out, wear away, wear through, become worn. Antonyms, peace, accord, agreement, quiet. To outburst, noun.
इजहार जज्बात, भड़क उठना.
A sudden occurrence of a particular activity. Example, a wild outburst of applause. Synonyms, eruption, explosion, burst, outbreak, flare up, blow up, blaze, attack, fit. Antonyms, calm, peace, dislike. 3. Refrain, verb.
रुकना, परहेज करना.
Stop oneself from doing something. Example, she refrained from comment. Synonyms, abstain, desist, hold back, stop oneself, withhold, forbear, forgo, do without. Antonyms, indulge, venture, continue, persist. 4. Unsavory, adjective.
बदमज़ा, बदज़ायका, अखलाकी तौर पर नागवार.
Disagreeable to taste, smell, or look at. Example, they looked at the scanty, unsavory portions of food doled out to them. Synonyms, unpalatable, unappetizing, unpleasant, distasteful, disagreeable, uninviting, unappealing. Antonyms, tasty, appetizing. 5. Ire.
गुस्सा, anger.
Synonyms, annoyance, fury. Antonyms, diligent, calm. 6. Urgency, noun.
फौरी ज़रूरत, सख्त अहमियत.
Importance requiring swift action. Example, the discovery of the ozone hole gave urgency to the issue of CFCs. Synonyms, importance, top priority, imperativeness, weight, weightiness, gravity, necessity, exigency. Antonyms, unimportance, refrain, decompression. 7. Conjecture, noun.
ताके मारना, कियास करना, तावील.
An opinion or conclusion formed on the basis of incomplete information. Example, conjectures about the newcomer were many and varied. Synonyms, guess, speculation, surmise, fancy, notion, belief, suspicion, presumption, assumption.
Antonyms, fact.
8. Spurt, verb.
तेज इखराज, जोर से.
Gush out in a sudden and forceful stream. Example, he cut his finger, and blood spurted over the sliced potatoes. Synonyms, squirt, shoot, spray, fountain, jet, erupt, gush, pour, stream, rush. Antonyms, be quiet, trickle. 9. Entail.
हकीकत पसंदाना.
To have as part of a whole. Synonyms, compose, incorporate, encompass. Antonyms, miss out, exclude, omit. 10. Stalemate, noun.
तातुल, जिच होना, बेहरकत.
A situation in which further action or progress by opposing or competing parties seems impossible. Example, the war had again reached stalemate. Synonyms, deadlock, impasse, standstill, dead end, standoff, draw, tie, dead heat. Antonyms, advance, headway, progress. 11. Thwarted.
नाकाम बना देना, तिरछा.
Prevent someone from accomplishing something. Synonyms, stop, hinder, defeat. Antonyms, abet, aid, assist. 12. Armor.
मुहाफिज.
Strong covering that protects something, especially the body in the battle. Synonyms, bulletproof vest, shield. Antonyms, unready, undress. 13. Debacle, noun.
शर्मनाक नाकामी, मुकम्मल शिकस्त.
A sudden and ignominious failure, a fiasco. Example, the only man to reach double figures in the second innings debacle. Synonyms: fiasco, failure, catastrophe, disaster, disintegration, mess, wreck, ruin, downfall. Antonyms: accomplishment, attainment, blessing. 14. Deter, verb.
हौसला शिकनी करना, किसी काम से रोकना.
Discourage someone from doing something by instilling doubt or fear of the consequences. Example: only a health problem would deter him from seeking re-election. Synonyms: put off, discourage, dissuade, scare off, warn, caution, dishearten, demoralize, daunt.
Antonyms: encourage.
15. Peril, noun.
खतरा, खौफ, डर.
Serious and immediate danger. Example: you could well place us both in peril. Synonyms: danger, jeopardy, risk, riskiness, hazard, insecurity, uncertainty, menace, threat. Antonyms: safety, security. 16. Fabled, adjective.
अफसानवी.
Famous, especially by reputation. Example: a fabled art collection. Synonyms: celebrated, renowned, famed, famous, well-known, rightly, prized. Antonyms: unknown, unsung, derided. 17. Incursion, noun.
दरअंदाजी. हमला. चढ़ाई.
An invasion or attack, especially a sudden or brief one. Example: incursions into enemy territory. Synonyms: attack on, assault on, raid on, invasion of, storming of, overrunning of, foray into.
Antonyms: retreat.
18. Hubris, noun.
इंतहाई खुद एतमादी, घमंड, गुरूर.
Excessive pride or self-confidence. Example: the self-assured hubris among economists was shaken in the late 1980s. Synonyms: arrogance, conceit, conceitedness, haughtiness, pride, vanity, self-importance, self-conceit.
Antonyms: modesty.
19. Abate, verb.
थमना, जोर टूटना, हल्का पड़ना.
Of something unpleasant or severe, become less intense or widespread. Example: the storm suddenly abated. Synonyms: subside, die down, /away, /out, drop off, /away, lessen, ease, off, let up, decrease.
Antonyms: intensify.
20. Acutely, adverb.
तेजी से, सख्ती से, शिद्दत से.
With reference to something unpleasant or unwelcome, intensely. Example: the whole situation was acutely embarrassing. Synonyms: extremely, exceedingly, very, markedly, severely, intensely, in the extreme, deeply, profoundly.
Antonyms: slightly.
21. Paucity, noun.
कमी, किल्लत.
The presence of something in only small or insufficient quantities or amounts. Example: a paucity of information. Synonyms: scarcity, sparseness, sparsity, dearth, shortage, rarity, rareness, poverty, insufficiency. Antonyms: abundance. 22. Penchant, noun.
रग़बत, रुझान, पसंद.
A strong or habitual liking for something or tendency to do something. Example: he has a penchant for adopting stray dogs. Synonyms: liking, fondness, preference, taste, relish, appetite, partiality, soft spot, love. Antonyms: antipathy, disinclination, dislike, hate. 23. Temptation, noun.
लालच, झांसा देना, फिसलाना.
The desire to do something, especially something wrong or unwise. Example: he resisted the temptation to call Celia at the office. Synonyms: desire, urge, itch, impulse, inclination, lure, allurement. Antonyms: discouragement, dislike, hate. 24. Amid.
दौरान. दरमियानी हिस्सा. बीच में.
Surrounded by, in the middle of. Example: our dream home, set amid magnificent rolling countryside. Synonyms: in the middle of, among, surrounded by, amongst, in the thick of, between. Antonyms: surrounding. 25. Bravado, noun.
हिम्मत करना, बहादुरी,
A bold manner or a show of boldness intended to impress or intimidate. Example, he possesses none of the classic wheeler dealer's casual bravado. Synonyms, boldness, bold manner, swagger, swaggering, bluster, swashbuckling, machismo. Antonyms, modesty. 26. Autocratic, adjective.
शख्सी हुकूमत, मुतलक अलनान, आमिराना,
Relating to a ruler who has absolute power. Example, the constitutional reforms threatened his autocratic power. Synonyms, despotic, tyrannical, oppressive, repressive, dictatorial, totalitarian, autarkic. Antonyms, democratic, liberal. 27. Fragile, adjective.
नाजुक, कागजी, आसानी से टूट जाने वाला,
Of an object, easily broken or damaged. Example, fragile items such as glass and china. Synonyms, breakable, easily broken, brittle, frangible, smashable, splintery, flimsy, weak. Antonyms, robust. 28. Autocracy, noun.
आमिराना हुकूमत, खुद मुख्तारी,
A system of government by one person with absolute power. Example, the Grand Duchy of Tuscany was an autocracy. Synonyms, absolutism, absolute power, totalitarianism, dictatorship, despotism, tyranny, monocracy. Antonyms, democracy. For more videos, subscribe our channel. Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu meaning. Like, subscribe, share and comments.